In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Grand Peace online on Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to join and play the Grand Peace online experience. This is a very popular experience that has almost 1 billion visits, and you will be able to play it on PC as I'm doing in this video, or on mobile or even consoles. All that you have to do is open Roblox on any platform and using the search function, look for Grand Peace online. When you look for the experience, you will be able to find it immediately. As you can see, it is a very popular experience and it should be the first one to pop up. So once you select Grand Peace Online, you can confirm that it is the official one by the fact that it has almost 1 billion visits like I mentioned in the beginning of this video. And you will be able to get the controls, so you can press M to open the menu, Ctrl to climb or evade, P to sit on the ship, and WW to sprint. So just go ahead and join. Immediately upon joining Grand Peace Online, you will see the main options to play. So you will be able to set sail if you just want to connect with other random people and start playing right away, or you can choose the Universal Hub, the option to customize your character, or join private servers. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and set sail. Assuming that you are a new player, you will be able to join and then customize your character. I already have a character, so for me, I'm just gonna load in immediately. But for you, you might see some other options related to making your character first. Once you load in, you will get instructions on how to play. So you will learn about all the NPCs which are available on the islands. You will learn about these quests that you can do to get XP and improve your abilities. And you will get recommendations on how to proceed. So as you can see right now, my quest tracker is telling me to help Death. So if I talk to this NPC here, they are going to give me instructions on what to do. You are a new traveler, right? Well, I've been looking for someone strong. Those bandits up this hill have been wreaking havoc all over the place. You have to stop them. So you can accept the quest, and as you can see, I have to defeat 5 bandits to get EXP. By getting EXP, you will be able to level up, purchase a boat, and go over to new islands. I'm not going to go over too much detail about what there is to do on Grand Peace Online, but you can take your time and explore and learn how to play. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Grand Peace Online on Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.